I'm gonna just give you the whole rundown. So everything in here is all holistic. A lot of our stuff is North Carolina based. So we've got skincare, non-toxic, all organic, internals. That's the coveted peptide spot, and we have a huge order coming in tomorrow. So in here we have a room for estheticians, a massage therapist, and we have a physical therapist. She's amazing. She does cupping, needling, all of that. And if she needs more space, she'll go into our studio to utilize stuff in the studio for patients, like if they're using some strength training or need the bar or something like that. In here, so we are the only ones in the Triangle area that have an Opus sound bed. So what this is you lay on the bed, you put the headphones on, you put an eye mask on, and you choose whether you want like recovery, energy, focus, there's all kinds of options. And it runs anywhere from 5 minutes to an hour. When you lay on the bed, it takes you on this meditative journey. And during that, the bed is optimized so that it like matches the frequencies of your body. So it's vibrational acoustics. So people walk out of here in like a total like coma-like state. It really takes you out of sympathetic and allows you to heal and relax and get into like a meditative state. Over here this is a hybrid bed. So this is 75% red light, 25% UV for a little bit of a golden color. This is a favorite of everybody. So this is our salt cave. It's not like a salt room. So these are salt booth detox. So it's pharmaceutical grade Himalayan salt that is put in here. You sit in here for 10 minutes. You breathe in the salt. It heals from the inside out. So it is good for anyone with lung infection, skin infections, asthma, allergies, mold, rosacea, eczema. We've had people that have had months and months of sinus infections that are on steroids and all kinds of stuff. And then they do just a few trips in here, 10 minutes each, and they'll be, I mean, we've had a number of people completely healed from that. We've had people heal their eczema within 1 or 2 sessions in there. When my parents come off the plane, I take them right over here, get in here to ward off any bacteria, germs, so to prevent colds and all kinds of stuff. So we have a lot of people that use these. These are really powerful. This one is a little bit more relaxing. It's heated up by the infrared. So you do get the salt experience and you get infrared. It's just not as intense as the detox. Chris designed this room. This is our contrast therapy room. So you can rent this space for up to an hour. It's cold plunge, sauna. It's a double person sauna. And then right over here are vitamin C showers. If you want, we can roll a red light in here. You get a TV, and you really can go to your own pace. So if inflammation is happening, a lot of people use the cold plunge. We tell women to do 2 to 3 minutes, men 3 to 4 minutes, and it can be anywhere from 40 to 50 degrees, so it is freaking cold. And then the sauna goes up to 160 degrees, and the sauna is just awesome for just sweat out toxins. So it just depends on kind of what your pattern is and what you like to use best. A lot of people will use the sauna, rinse off, dunk in the cold plunge, and then back, and then, do their the rounds, if you will, like a couple different times. So this is contrast room. And then the vitamin C shower just makes your skin, everything really soft and smooth. It's really cool. A few more saunas because we do get a lot of use out of these. Folks, again, there's just so many health benefits to that. And then this is another favorite too. So you can see the light is on. So these are massage chairs. Most people will sit for about 30 minutes, sit in the massage chair. You have the most nerves in your belly button and in the bottom of your feet. So this is a Himalayan salt lamp that kind of pulls it detoxes the toxins from your body while you're in red light. So this is commercial grade, medical grade red light. It powers through, it gets into the mitochondria of your cells. So it helps with energy, it helps with recovery, repair, all of that. While you're doing all of this, you can also use the oxygen that we have, and the oxygen will deliver 5 times the amount of oxygen to your organs. So really, like, the whole medley is extremely nice, very relaxing, really good for recovery, repair, and overall wellness. All right, and then that side's just kind of a carbon copy. For our classes, we've got an area here for, you know, storage and putting stuff up. We've got a couple bathrooms. And then this is our studio. So it's a very boutique sized studio. We have classes that typically will have, we like to have between 8 and 12 people. And we have all different types. So we have like nervous system, support type classes, lymphatic drainage and massage and things like that. We have classes that our physical therapist teaches for strength training. We do have a strength training circuit, and then we have Pilates and yoga and bar. We are looking to add kettlebell to the classes in July. We also have this outdoor space, so when it's not freakishly hot out like it is through the summer here, it's nice to have classes out on the patio. And then if you look up on the ceiling, you can't see it now because it's light out, but there's about 1,000 different holes cut out, and those are optics for, it looks like a sky, like a stars up in the sky. So really nice. We have a lot of extra red lights so that if people request during a class to have a red light on them during the class, they can have that. We also have mats that are red light mats, so that you're getting like double the benefits for everything. So that's our studio and space. We love it here. The equipment is really beautiful. It's all by Bala, which I loved. And yeah, again, we have long hours. We're open 8 to 8 every day, and then weekends we're open basically full days, like 10 to 6. And then again, we're a main hub for people for peptides. We have about 900 clients that use our peptides, and our peptides are USA based. They're batch tested, they're third party vetted, and I have seen the most unbelievable transformations for people that come in here that are either using a couple of our services. It's just nice because we've got the practitioners, the modalities, the classes, and the products and peptides all in one place. So that's everything.